Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is competency-based education. And before that, I have to tell about some changes about the latest circular about the 10th standard tabulation and assessment of CBSE. That is, as usual, the availability of portal is 20th May 2021. That already no change there. And other changes are the submission marks. That is 30th June 2021 and submission internal assessment also 30th June 2021. That is changes that comes in the annexure 4. Now let us move to the competency based education, and according to the circular 4th, that is April 22nd 2021, the circular says that assessment and evaluation practice the board. Evaluation and assessment and evaluation practice of the board 2021-22. It is based on the National Education Policy of 2020. They need to move from rote to competency based learning. That is, for a long time, the examinations and assessments were based on the focusing on the rote memorization. That is what the child is memorizing, what the child has the memory, what they have learned, and that is reproducing on the paper. That is how the assessments and examinations are taken. National Education Policy 2020-21 need to move from rote to competency based learning. Competency based means what is ability of the child, what is the capacity of the child. Instead of memory, we can focus on the competency also, competency based learning, and more focus on the developing of creative and critical thinking. Let the child have some creative thinking, critical thinking capacities of students, and to meet the challenges of the 21st century. That is the main thing. 21st century proactively, that is, they have to see earlier itself what should be. That is proactively means that the child we should understand that what will happen in the 21st century, what we should focus on in advance. That is the thing. And so the learners must be equipped with the ability to solve problems. The child should equip with the ability to solve the problems, and assessment must shift from testing primarily rote memorization skills. That is, these times we are focusing on what the child, how much the child is having in the memory power, what the child has learned, and what the child has learned the concept, and only on the base, majority of the questions and answers are based on the memory skill, memory. So instead of the memory, what is the ability of the child, what the child is doing in the real life situation. So how the child can be put into such a situation that in the real life situation what the child will do. So that should be given importance instead of rote memory. Rote, that is rote to competency based learning. And from testing primarily rote memorization skills to one that is more formative and more competency based and promote learning and development for our students. There is a major focusing on the CBE. That is what is CBE, competency based education. And here and test higher order skills such as analysis. There is one concept, one thing the child says, he should have the ability to analyze it, go deeper and deeper into that, analyze it, and critical thinking, why it happened like that, how it should be. Critical thinking and conceptual clarity. Concept should be clear. Instead of mugging up, instead of rote memory, that the concept should be clear through clarity. The clarity should be there. That is why we have learned that suppose one subject we are learning, one topic we are learning, the child is through the real life situation, by integrating different subjects, the child is understanding the importance of that particular topic which are interrelated to different subjects. That is integration of the projects, integrated projects we know, or integrated learning. And here according to CBE, that is competency based education, board changes the examination and assessment pattern 2021-22. That is, it is talking about 21-22 what the board is going to do, and that is whatever the overall marks, whatever it is under, that the same thing, and how it is changing the composition of the tasks, greater number of competency based questions, So what about it? Task is changing. The change in the composition of tasks and a greater number of competency based questions and or questions that assess application of concepts, real life situation or unfamiliar situation. Suppose this happens, what the child will do? Suppose in their life what is happening, suppose in between what happens, what the child will do, that is a question. That is, the child should be that way mentally and physically capable of, or think about, suppose this happened, what I have to do. Instead of thinking something, the child should, when the child comes to the real life, what the child is going to do, that way the child should be motivated or the child should be molded. So the child can easily undergo the challenges, the child can easily understand the concept, and the child can see that this is the thing what I have to do in the real life situation. Most often this happens, the child will be studying better way, but you know that in the real life situation, or a project comes in an office, he or she comes, you know that there may be some not that much ability the child cannot be produce. So in order to tackle that problem in the real life situation, the competency based education has given importance according to the new education policy. So in the 2021-22, the 9th standard and the 10th standard examinations, the competency based question should be 30%, and objective type of questions, and this 30% may be multiple choice questions, MCQs, or source based questions. Some topic may be given from that source based questions, or some other types also can be given. That is 30%, 9 and 10. And objective type of questions 20%, and the remaining 50% as usual short questions, long questions, like that. And 11 and 12, that is instead of 30, that is 20%, the second one 20%. That is first one I told you, the competency based questions 20%, then the objective type of questions 20%, and 50%, instead of remaining 50%, here it is 60%. This is a pattern of what assessment and examination, the assessment and evaluation practice of the board that the board has given for the 2021-22. I hope you understood what is a circular, what the circular says, what is a competency based education. Let us see how the marks will be evaluated, how 10 the marks will be evaluated, what are the different concepts here to take into account. What are they? Initiative, that is what about the how much initiative the child is taking, the creativity, communication, motivation, adaptability, then reliability, critical thinking, problem solving, organizing, self-management, then decision making, stress management, then resilience and responsibility. What is resilience? That is quick recovery from particular risk. Suppose it happens some problem, quick recovery we needed from that. That is the meaning of resilience and responsible. So when the competency based questions we give the child, it should be focused on. More other topics can also we can take, but anyway you have to focus on this, whether the child is having enough creativity, communication, motivation, how much motivated the child, what about the adaptability, how much flexible the child is, what about the reliability, what the child is telling about, what about the reliability, that is whether we can trust him. So all these major concepts which we need in our life, that should be taken into account while we teach them, that is while we train them to have a competency based learning. So based on this, you have to make the questions, you have to teach the child. I hope you understood what is the basic meaning of the competency based education. And this according to the new circular, according to the circular of April 9, 10, 11, 12, the examination and assessment pattern has been given by the CBSE. I hope you understood about this. Thank you.